Hey there TRW crew, Matt Vasallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So this TRW Stone Wizard tutorial is going to go over our group and ungroup buttons here on the bottom. So these are buttons you're going to use a lot at different times. So let's say, for example, we just have a couple squares here and we want to grab all these squares at the same time. We can just highlight them all and hit group, and then we can move them all around very easily like this, as you can see. Now if I want to ungroup them, I can grab the individual squares. So this is a very popular feature, especially working with rhinestones, just because of different things you can do. So let's say, for example, you had a text that you had group, and let's say you had some of our TRW true type fonts, and we just use the basic here. So that's going to be a lowercase to be that. And then let's go with ungroup. Now what we're going to do real quick is we're going to resize this design to SS10 stones, and we'll resize this one to SS10 stones. Now let's go ahead and just turn those green. So this is our group design right here, because I'm going to group it. So now as you can see, it moves all around by itself. This is our ungroup design. You can see it's individual circles that move out. So the reason why you'll want to work with different pieces grouped in a rhinestone design a lot is, let's say, for example, you want it to kind of overlap a little bit. Let's just say it was like that. Well, when it's grouped, you can just grab that entire group and move it over here real easy. Well, if I were just trying to grab the black of this group, I wouldn't really be able to do that if it's all ungrouped. I can't just move it around real easy like that. What I would have to do, and the reason why it's good that if that does happen, you have the TRW Stone Wizard, is I can just click on one of the black and hit select same color, and then I can move it around. But then again, once I click off of it, it's going to be all the individual stones again. So if I were working on this design and trying to manipulate this design, I would go ahead and group that as well. And now we can go ahead and move things around and figure out how you want your overlap to work, things like that. So that's our group and ungroup feature in the TRW Stone Wizard. If you do have any questions, make sure to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. Again, this is Matt with the rhinestoneworld.com, and you all have a wonderful day.